You guys just cheers them so hard that it goes fast.
It's wedding eve. We are getting married tomorrow and it'll be great. I love you.
Oh God, that's even worse.
Zoe and John have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, the joining of hands, and the giving and receiving of rings. I pronounce that they are husband and wife.
Your intelligence, willpower, and charisma knows no bounds. While I'm sure it didn't hurt to have a wonderful and equally intelligent, maybe even smarter woman by your side. Zoe, you are marrying the best friend a person could ask for. You really bring out the best in him, and I know he truly cares for you as well.
My plan of keeping my sister to myself didn't last very long because John went and found her in high school and the rest is history. Needless to say, it is not easy to gain my trust or my affection, especially when it comes to my sister. And John, you've come a long way since that day in middle school. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming back into both of our lives, for showing my sister so much love, and being an amazing addition to our family. I couldn't be happier with both of you. Woo!